Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I want to do something fun, something exciting. Gino, look. Every time the camera starts, stop. Gino, say hi. Have a seat. This ain't your video, Puffy. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show y'all how to clone this bag where we're not going to make another coach, but we're going to use this same pattern and we're going to clone it to make a bag. I'm gonna make a camouflage bag like this. I got the fabric, but I'm still waiting on the hardware from the China to finish the purse off. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what y'all do where y'all can clone this purse and make you other purses and stuff like that. So I kind of like this tote. Gino, shh. So what I did, I got some of this paper from the mail office because it's more durable and it'll last a long time. So what I'm going to do, you're going to need 3 pieces, okay? So the first piece that I do, I set the bottom of the purse down just like this. And we're going to trace out the bottom of the purse, okay? And then you put that for the bottom. Then we're going to take the purse. We're going to flip it to the side, okay? We're going to flip it to the side, get all the corners and everything. And get the notches because you want to know where the zipper start, where the zipper stop, and where the purse handles go. So we're going to trace that out. And then the last of the purse, we're going to turn the purse to this side, face down, and we're going to trace out these. So I already did that, so now I'm just going to cut them out. And when all of my hardware come in, I'm going to create this purse. I'm going to make an army print purse, and I did the waterproof fabric, and then I got some boots that I got, and I'm going to do the tongue of the boots. So I'm cloning this bag. And this would be the pattern if I want to make a denim bag or whatever kind of bag. If you want to just be unique and just do something different, like I want to make my own bag, then go ahead, make it. So this is the side. See, that's the piece for the side. So when you cut, you're going to cut 2. This is the top side piece, and put your notches in where the zipper stopped and started, because you're gonna want to know that. And then you're gonna, when you do your measurement, you're gonna need to buy a zipper that is durable enough for this. You're gonna need a zipper that's durable enough for this. So get a heavy duty zipper when you're doing the purses. Don't get a really cheap zipper, because the last thing you want to do is make this purse, put it together, and you got a very cheap zipper, then the zipper is going to break. So you see, I put the notches right here. This is where the purse handles is going to go, and on each side, this is where the zipper stops. So when you do the measurement, you'll know how long of a zipper you need to get. So this is for, see, this piece of the purse, okay? So all these, when you cut, you're going to cut 1 of these, 2 of this, 2 of this, and then the bottom base. So I ordered the hardware from China, so my purse stuff, it's going to take a minute to get here, but I wanted to at least get y'all started with the base. So you go on purse making supplies. You could buy it from over here in the US, but a lot of times I just like to save money, so I like to shop wholesale. So this is the bottom base of the purse. So those 3 pieces. So I'm going to go get the fabric, and I'm going to show you guys the fabric that I'm going to be using on this purse. So what I'm waiting on is the zipper. I'm waiting on this hardware, and yeah, the zipper and the hardware. So Let me get the fabric that I'm going to be using, and I hope you guys get inspired to make y'all own bag. It's simple. I love the box purse. This is the fabric that I'm going to make that purse out of. So this is a waterproof fabric. This is not like the cloth because I want it to be more, you know, you sit it down. It's waterproof and everything. So I got this big piece off of Amazon. So I'm going to do a purse like this. And I'm going to do, I got some boots. The boots come all the way up here, but they're flat. So the tongue of the boot, I'm going to put this army print going all the way up. I'm going to have this purse. And y'all know I made last year a puff sleeve shirt. So I hope that this inspires you guys to clone and make your own purses. So if you have a purse that you just love, and you're like, oh, I just love this purse. I just love this purse. Look it up. And yeah, you guys can be able to make it. Also pick up some cardboard from the dollar store, because at the bottom of this bag you want it to be, you see how it kind of have that in it. So pick up some cardboard and whatever lining you want to have. So thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, these are my 3 pieces to clone that bag. The bottom, you cut 1, the side you're going to cut 2, and then the other side you're going to cut 2. So I call these like the little box purses. And I love these box purses, and you can get a lot in it. So I hope that helped you guys. Like I said, my goal is I've been wanting to bring you guys a lot of fun stuff, because I was shocked when I looked and I wound up getting a check from YouTube. And I'm like, wow, people still watching me? You know, because once I stopped doing the wigs, I kind of just fell off the face of the earth. And one thing, I'm over on TikTok, and I, you know, do a lot of fun dancing and stuff like that. But what I realized with TikTok, honestly, they don't want to learn. They do not want to learn crap on TikTok. For TikTok, they more or less, you either dancing, making them laugh or something like that. But if you do a video showing them something like this, they be saying, don't nobody want to see that shit. And I'm like, damn, y'all don't want to learn. Somebody want to see something. But yeah, it's just a different type of space over there. I want to show y'all something. This Beyonce hat that I made with this robe a while back. That was really, really cool and cute. So I like to try stuff. So this right here. So if you guys saw Beyonce, but hers was a lot bigger. So this is actually paper. And I sewed it in the fabric, and I put an elastic band. I'm trying to think, how do it go on? I think it goes on like this. But they be wearing these hats. Beyonce had on one, but hers I think was much, much bigger. So I like to do a lot of fun, creative stuff. Not meaning that everything that I make that I would necessarily wear, but I think theirs was a lot bigger than this. So I like to make a lot of little fun stuff, and so I made this like little, so like I don't know how you wear your hair. They normally have their hair like pent up or something. But I made this little cape and this little jacket thing. And where I wear this nowhere. Sometimes I just like to get creative, and I like to try something. Even if I'm not going to wear it. A lot of stuff I might make, probably would never wear it outside. But I like to challenge myself to see if I can make it. So Beyonce's was a lot more flatter than this. So I need to probably use a not as thick, but yeah, but she had it on. And then they use African print. So, but to make it, you just get a circle and you do it. But I think that my circle is not big as hers, and it's not as flimsy because I doubled the paper. So I think I should have doubled the paper. So just wanted to show y'all like some fun stuff so we can be creative and make stuff. So if you guys want to make some stuff, you know, find some stuff like, you know, I want to make something, I want to do something. So I hope that inspired you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have an awesome day. Toodles.